What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to set an earnings reminder notification on your Yahoo Finance mobile app. Now, if you're actually engaged in trading stocks or investing at all whatsoever, you will know that the earnings date for a company is very important, as you need that to determine whether you're going to buy more, hold, or sell your stock. It is a crucial piece of data, and every investor should know what their earnings report is for the stock given when the earnings drop. So having this notification set is great for you so that you can be notified and see where it ends up. So basically, what you're going to do in order to do this on Yahoo Finance is to search the stock that you want to set an earnings reminder for. Now, if you have a watch list already set, it's very easy to just click on the stock that you want. Otherwise, you could just search it in the bar at the top. It's pretty easy if you know the name or the ticker of the stock. So I'm just going to take a random stock from my portfolio here, and we're just going to look up DraftKings here, a stock that I'm very concerned with about the earnings date, not compared to most of my index funds that I have, but that's a different story. So here we have the DraftKings stock on the Yahoo Finance, and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down on this analysis here, and you could see all the way at the bottom, if you get down to scrolling, it's going to tell you when the earnings is upcoming and also past earnings, and you will see that there is 46 days until the earnings report for DraftKings, and then you will also see that there is a purple highlighted text that says set reminder in the text, and if you click on that, it's going to bring up this calendar here, and you could set a reminder for the day of the earnings report, whether you want that a day before, 2 days before, a week before, or the day of. You can just fully customize it and set it for when you get the notification based on when the earnings report is going to be dropped. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you did have any questions or were confused on earnings reports in general or at all on how to do this tutorial, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.